Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change language on Trendyol app. So all you have to do is head over to the app, then in the bottom right corner, just click on account icon. And from here, just make sure that you log in to your account. So as you can see here, we don't have an option to manually change the language of our app since Trendyol actually made it easier for us that we don't have to manually change the language of our app. So when you're logged into your account, Trendyol will ask you your country or region of shopping, and from there, they will adapt to the language on that certain country or region. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!